Hey people, Assalamu alaikum. Want to know what special thing we are going to make today? It's halwa. Not just some halwa, it is egg halwa. So, okay, let's start. 6 number of eggs, 150 ml of oil, 150 ml of ghee. This is our own brand ghee that we use. If you need any detail, contact number is on the left of the screen and details in the description box. Milk of 300 ml. If you want, you can add condensed milk. We are also using our own sugar, 300 gram. I usually use brown sugar. You can use white sugar also. Now some raisins, some cashew nut chopped, 3 cardamom, 4 clove. Soji of 150 gram.